our trip landed us here in the capital of the United States, Washington D.C. Let's begin with the most important building, the White House. In this video, we will show you guys around of what you can visit and what you must see here in Washington D.C. This is a pretty obvious one to visit, right? The United States Capitol. This is the Library of Congress, the biggest and fanciest, and the most important library of the USA. Every 4 seconds a new document is made and a lot of important books and documents are staying here. It doesn't feel like a library, more like a palace because it's so super fancy. Smithsonian Air and Space Museum, and like other museums, like most of them are for free, so let's have a look.
Dit.
Is it working? Well, this is the National Mall. Very spacious. You have the Capitol over there, the obelisk over there, and this is a very famous place. A lot of people gather here of the US residents if there is an inauguration of the president. This is the building of the FBI. Maybe they're investigating you right now, or me. This is the Ford's Theater, and this is the exact place where President Abraham Lincoln got shot. The next place that we're going to is kind of a weird place to visit, but it's actually the Arlington National Cemetery. It's a really beautiful cemetery, and John F. Kennedy is buried here. This right here is the Lincoln Memorial, so the big chair with Lincoln sitting in it, that's over there. But to get there you have to go over these steps, and actually the brown steps that you can see are the exact steps that Martin Luther King was standing on during his famous speech, "I have a dream." You know, it's kind of famous. He is huge. Speaking of Martin Luther King, here is his memorial.
I have a dream. My poor little children one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
This was our last stop of our road trip, the capital of the United States, Washington D.C. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe one day you'll come here too.